Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Shoshi just made his identify known. Twitter user at Shiba Inu holder Drew conjectured that, in a message published by Shiba Inu head developer Shoshi Kusama in January 2022, Shoshi is alluding to something for the Ashed Ship community's upcoming new cooperation, which is set to arrive in the form of a parabolic Shib news. In his somewhat cryptic message, Shoshi described talking to his mentor and coming to the conclusion that by the end of 2022, it would be impossible for him to stay invisible. He concluded by adding that once his identity is exposed, the real fun begins. In this video, we'll speak about Shoshi's recent revelation of who he is. When it comes to Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis, Shiba is going to go parabolic. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started. If you take the video literally, it looks like Shoshi will reveal his identity, but doing so does not fit with expectations, leading some observers to read between the lines. On Christmas Eve, Shoshi said that Sharam will come very soon, hinting that it might be released soon after the new year. Sharam is a crucial step in transforming Shiba Inu into more than just a memory coin and an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. Feature includes the launch of the Shai stable coin, which is set at 0.01, as well as the ability to host gaming and metaverse apps. Numerous articles on the Shigu ecosystem have been featured in recent blog postings. Shiba Inu founder Roshi deleted all of his social media and article posts, raising concerns about the project's future. He made no public statements on the matter, and his Twitter account is still inactive. The metaverse, specifically concept art reveals of various locations within the virtual world, has shown 76% of the SHIB token's year-to-date losses. This is similar to the drawdowns seen with Bitcoin and Ethereum on Monday. Developer Shoshi Lee shared his opinions in a reaction post on Medium. He stated that he was unaware of Roshi's departure, but he did clarify that he had taken over the project and was carrying out Roshi's vision, which includes treating Shiba with a bone tack. In the previous 24 hours, the price of the Shiba Inu has moved south on its chart. Swap Shai Sharam and set up SHIB meetups, and eventually a ShibaCon Shib gained 3% over the previous week. However, the meme currency did not see any increases and lost a few support lines after nearly losing 6% of its market value. SHIB has now developed a pattern suggesting that an upside breakout in the coin's price may occur within the next day. The coin may fall on its chart over the next few trading sessions before moving to the upside, according to the technical outlook, which still shows bearish signs on the daily chart. Sellers have maintained price control over the majority of this month, so buyers must step in to save the SHIB. SHIB's trading volume decreased, confirming the idea that there are now few buyers in the market. The meme coin is expected to witness a rally due to a breakout. The first local support stood at 0.0076, after which the meme coin is expected to break out. The breakout will cause the Shiba Inu price to rally to 0.824, and clearing that resistance will take the coin to 0.86. SHIB is trading 90% below its all-time high, which the coin secured almost 1 year ago. Over the past week, the Shiba Inu price fell from the 0.82 support line. The Shiba Inu is expected to fall below the 0.00008 level as buying strength remains low. The decrease in shibainu exchanged during the previous session accounts for the low number of purchasers. After the recent price decline, the relative index was below 40. The indicator's readings show that sellers outnumbered buyers at the time of publication, indicating bearishness on the same note because of a lack of demand. SHIB was in the seller's dominance zone for November and December. If SHIB stays above the 0.00008 level, the memic coin will move over the 20 sema. SHIB moved below the 20 sema, indicating that sellers were driving the price movement in the market. The parabolic S shows the price direction and trend of the asset. It was above the price candlesticks, indicating that the price is in a continuous downturn. Other technical indicators have also SED'd, with the potential for the SHIB's value to plummet on its chart. The convergence of the moving average price momentum is illustrated by divergence, and reversals of trends, the fact that MACD kept painting red histograms suggested that traders should sell since it would suggest that SHIB prices may rise in 2022. The market for cryptocurrencies typically did not shine the brightest. A lot of things occurred in addition to a continuous bear market that maintained low cryptocurrency prices. At the moment, the prices of most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and other altcoins, are between 60% and 90% lower than their all-time highs. The second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, is not an exception in this case. It is currently unknown who the mysterious person hiding behind the name is, but in one of the most recent tweets by Twitter user ShibBPP, a screenshot has been shared with some intriguing information. The screenshot shows a message by Kama on Discord, in which he states that he was talking to his mentor, and that they both agree that by the end of the year, it will become impossible to remain invisible. The message was sent on January 21, 2022, and 2022 is almost about to come to a close in a few days. Kama also states that you don't just align and disrupt an industry and stay invisible, after which the real fun begins. Only time will tell if Kama will follow through on his words and reveal his true identity to the world despite its indiscerned Shiba is quickly evolving into a value-based blockchain. But in order to do so, it needs to rely less on legacy protocols like Ethereum, which is why Shiba, the network's Layer 2 blockchain solution, was developed. Given that high gas prices and poor throughput capabilities are the main complaints against Ethereum, since Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum, the launch of Shorem means that the majority of SHIB transactions that occur on Ethereum will now occur on Shorem. This is a significant development. Although Ethereum recently switched to a POS network, its transaction speed has not increased significantly. As a result, one of Shorem's goals is to use Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution and increase Shiba's new scalability. In addition to offering reduced fees and faster transaction processing speeds, Shorem also has a number of other benefits. However, it is important to note that the launch of Shorem will make transaction fees extremely minimal, with the majority of these fees going toward burning SHIB tokens. According to the network team, Shorem will also offer a burning technique for SHIB tokens. Reducing the amount of SHIB in circulation is one option to make it a utility token. According to SHIB burn data, over 40% of SHIB tokens have been burned since the network's debut, but the amount of tokens in circulation is still too much, which prevents SHIB from being used as a utility token. Since DEPs are among the most popular topics of conversation, SHIB developers want to make sure that Shorem is one of the most sought-after networks for DS development. Subjects related to cryptocurrency that the development team thinks will allow Shorem to actively participate in the metaverse proponents refer to it as the future of the digital age and a fresh approach to online communication. While chief creator Kuzoma of Shib's Anonymous said the launch of Shorem will occur soon, but he would not say when it will happen. Kuzoma has been making similar statements about the upcoming debut of Shorem for several months. This is not the first time he has said as much. SHIB prices will probably increase as a result of the Shorem introduction, since it will expand the token's applications. Because of the faster and more economical transaction processing speeds, there would be more applications for SHIB. Consequently, the SHIB in a related development, the community anticipates that the SHIB will trade at 0.01 once Shorem launches. The highly anticipated Shiba Eternity game was released early last month, according to SHIB creators, as part of Shorem's performance testing phase. The image of the SHIB bearing a moniker Roshi, the creator, intended for bone whale holders to have no advantage over other bone holders. But that goal was thwarted as Bone served as the reward token for the shibaswap D. That concludes our coverage for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share our videos, and subscribe to our channel to see more of our latest content. Additionally, according to the information currently available on the network's website, Bone will serve as the main utility token for Shorem.